For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a pool cleaning business can be a profitable and manageable venture with low startup costs, especially in warm climates where pools are common. With the help of free AI tools, the process of planning, marketing, and operating your business becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient. This guide will walk you step by step through launching your pool cleaning business, showing you where AI tools can assist and what prompts to use to get the best results. Step 1. Research the pool cleaning industry. Start by understanding the market. Use ChatGPT to research the local demand, average pricing, seasonal trends, and competitor analysis in your area. If you live in Florida, Texas, Arizona, or California, demand is generally high. Ask ChatGPT, give me a detailed market analysis for starting a pool cleaning business in your city, state. Include seasonal demand, pricing ranges, and customer types. You can also use Google Trends and AI-powered SEO tools like AlsoAsk.com to explore customer questions and keyword interest in your area. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A clear business plan helps define your goals, strategies, and financial expectations. You can generate a full business plan using ChatGPT. Prompt example. Write me a detailed business plan for a pool cleaning service targeting residential customers in city. Include executive summary, services offered, pricing strategy, operations plan, and marketing strategy. This output can help you organize your ideas and even be used when applying for funding or licenses. Step 3. Choose a business name and branding. Use free AI-powered name generators like Namelix or Loka to brainstorm names and create a logo. These tools use AI to combine keywords, brand styles, and visual identity. Prompt Namelix with generate pool cleaning business names that sound clean, professional, and trustworthy. Once you have a name, go to Loka and ask it to generate a logo that matches your brand personality, color preferences, and target audience. Step 4. Register your business and get licenses. Visit your city or county website to find licensing requirements for pool service providers. You may need a business license, liability insurance, and possibly a certification in pool operation or water chemistry. While AI can't do this paperwork, ChatGPT can help you figure out the steps. Prompt: what business licenses and permits are needed to start a pool cleaning service in city, state? You can also ask it to summarize and simplify complex regulatory language. Step 5. Define your services and pricing. Decide what you'll offer: basic cleaning, chemical balancing, filter cleaning, equipment inspection, or full maintenance packages. Use ChatGPT to create service packages and suggested pricing. Prompt example. List 3 pool cleaning service packages with descriptions and suggested prices for a residential pool cleaning business in city. For competitive pricing, ask, what are the average rates for weekly and bi-weekly pool maintenance in zip code? Step 6. Build an online presence with free AI tools. Creating a basic website and online visibility is essential. You can use Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Zyro to create a free or low-cost website. These tools ask simple questions and then build websites automatically. To generate text content for your site, use ChatGPT. Prompt: write homepage and service page content for a pool cleaning website that emphasizes reliability, cleanliness, and professionalism. Set up your Google business profile and social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor. Ask ChatGPT. Create a weekly social media content calendar for a new pool cleaning business targeting homeowners in city. AI-generated posts will save you time and keep your accounts active. Step 7. Design marketing materials with AI help. Use Canva, a free design tool with built-in AI, to create flyers, brochures, and business cards. Ask ChatGPT. Write a flyer text for a pool cleaning business offering 20% off first-time service. Make it friendly and persuasive. Then copy and paste the text into Canva's flyer templates and export for printing or digital sharing. To market smarter, use MailChimp's free AI email assistant to write and automate emails to leads. Prompt it with something like, send a monthly maintenance reminder and pool care tips to my pool cleaning customers. Step 8. Manage scheduling and customer communication with AI. To stay organized, use TidyCal, free tier, or Zoho Calendar to schedule appointments and set recurring jobs. For communication, install ChatGPT in Gmail using the ChatGPT Chrome extension and write customer responses faster. Prompt. Write a friendly email to a customer confirming their weekly pool cleaning appointment for Tuesdays at 10 a.m. Use Notion AI to track jobs, create customer records, and manage tasks in one place. Prompt. Create a table for managing pool cleaning appointments, including client name, date, time, address, service package, and notes. Step 9. Offer great service and collect reviews. Word of mouth and online reviews are critical in local service businesses. Ask satisfied clients to leave you a Google or Yelp review. You can use ChatGPT to write polite review request messages. Prompt. Write a follow-up text to a happy customer asking them to leave a review for my pool cleaning service. Offer extra touches like text reminders before visits or pool care tips in seasonal newsletters. These can be created with AI. Prompt. Write a summer pool maintenance tip email to customers in South Florida. Step 10. Grow the business strategically with AI analytics. As you gain customers, use free tools like Google Analytics, Meta Insights, and HubSpot free CRM to track how customers find you, which ads perform, and what services are most popular. You can ask ChatGPT, help me analyze customer data to find which pool services bring in the most revenue and which days are most popular for appointments. To scale, consider hiring part-time help and using AI to train them. Prompt ChatGPT. Create a checklist and training guide for a new pool cleaning technician. This ensures your quality of service remains consistent as you expand. Conclusion. Starting a pool cleaning business can be done on a modest budget, and by using free AI tools throughout the process, you gain an edge in planning, branding, marketing, and operations. From writing your business plan to generating social media content and automating scheduling, AI simplifies the work that traditionally requires expensive consultants and tools. If you take advantage of these technologies and consistently provide great service, your pool cleaning business can grow rapidly and become a reliable source of income year-round. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.